Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been struggling with the annoying, this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled message on Photoshop 2022, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix using Windows Firewall. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Copy the path of Photoshop. Once you find it, right-click on the photoshop.exe file and select Copy as Path. This will make it easier to add the program in the firewall settings later. Step 2. Open Windows Firewall. Now let's test it. Open Photoshop, and you should no longer see the unlicensed app message. It works perfectly offline. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix for the unlicensed app error using Windows Firewall. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with anyone who needs help with Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.